Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain ag-grade news show on YouTube. My name is Shamari Clark. Look. Warning. There's going to be alcohol consumption, tobacco consumption, and foul language. If you can't handle that, get the hell out of here now, because here I come. 3, 2, 1. Bang! Whoa! Welcome, brothers. All right. So, brothers. So we have a good show for you tonight. Bang! Coinbase, you sneaky sons of bitches. Sneaky sons of bitches, but Shamari's got his eye on them. So we're going to talk about a new service Coinbase is offering, quietly offering. Can't escape for long, brothers. Can't escape for long. So we're going to talk about that. Good for the crypto market, good for us. Bang! And then it's going to be an interesting show, and then we're going to talk about crypto regulations. The SEC has been like, wow, we wish that these crypto guys would approach us, about how they want to be regulated. So basically the SEC's attitude is, if you approach us and kind of help us to regulate you, it'll probably be more favorable to you than if you make us do all the work and you don't like what we come up with and, well, you're shit out of luck after that, right? And so we're going to talk about a crypto self-regulatory body that was just created, and that's good for us because it'll make the light touch. We need the light touch in regulation. And then we're actually going to hear the man who is the leader of the light touch, Jack Clayton, our buddy from the SEC, talk today. Bang! Or that was actually yesterday, but it was all over the news today. So we're going to talk about what he said. And, he does admit it was only his own opinion. So it's not, the stance of the SEC. But, hey, man, I like to hear from the leader of the SEC, at least where his opinion is. Maybe he's influencing others. All right. And then we get to shout outs and airdrops. Bang. All right, let's hurry this up. Let's start how we start. Bang. Let us look. Oops. All right, let's look at the markets. Our top 10. Let's do a little quick refresh for the market numbers right now. Are bang. All right, 41.92 for Bitcoin. All right, top 10. Bitcoin's cryptos of the day: Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar, EOS, Litecoin, Tether, Bitcoin SV, and Cardano. Bang. Notice someone missing? Monero, where'd you go? Yeah, Monero got booted out by Cardano today. Boom. Oh, Bitcoin SV went down another number. Now it's at 9. I believe it was at 8 yesterday. No? Could be wrong, but I think it was. All right, let's look at the top 10 losers of the day. Let's see what is on sale. Bang. Oh, the sales are skimpy today. The skills are skimpy. The sales are skimpy. Remember why everything went blood red? Remember the OTC buy and bang, right? That guy, Fake Toshi. Oh, Fake Toshi and his hash war, right? They had a hash war. Bitcoin Cash. And Fake Toshi said, oh, we didn't mean to drive the market down. It was just a consequence of what we did. It wasn't the meaning of why we did it. All right, so actually I forgot to tell you guys this. Yesterday, officially, the war is over. So the hash war is over. And it was like an official thing, like we're not warring anymore and all that, all right? So that actually happened yesterday. And so, you know me, before the hash war thing, I thought we were stable. In fact, I said, hey, guys, I don't think we're going to have another blood red. Remember I said that? And I was like, just buy now. And then the next day was like, bang, blood red. So, you know me, I love a good blood red. Let's go. But honestly, I think now we should hit the bottom. Like I said, right? There shouldn't be any more weekends at it anymore. Man, if they suffered through the whole year, right? Like, you're not a weekend anymore, buddy. All right, so let's look what's on sale. Quark Chain, Ravencoin, Mobigo, Tezos, MOAC, NEM, EOS, Bitcoin Diamond, USD Coin, and True USD. Let's look who made any money today. Bang! Oh, look at this. Oh, Bitcoin Private. All right. Bitcoin Private, Syrup Lab Token, Verge, Factum, Populous, Tron, Komodo, Pivx, Walton Chain, and Ox. 0x, whatever you want to call it. All right. Let's look at our market cap. 136 billion. All right. And sort of 19, and then 24-hour volume, 19 billion. We were at 18 and change yesterday, right? Right? Or am I wrong? I think we're at 18 and change, so kind of not really moved. All right, guys, so bang, quietly, Coinbase, quietly, sneakily, opens what? OTC, sons of bitches. Bang, OTC. Over the counter. You all know what over the counter is. You buy directly from the miners. You do not buy off of an exchange because you're buying so many of them. Exchanges wouldn't have enough for you probably anyways. All right. So what does that show us? What does that show us? It shows us that our money is coming. How does that show us our money's coming, Shamari? Well, motherfuckers don't open OTC counters for nothing. You open an OTC counter when you know that motherfuckers want not one Bitcoin, they want 1,000 Bitcoin. That's why you open an OTC counter, because you know that there's boys out there, look, that want to gobble, gobble, gobble. They want all manner of coin. So look. You know, Coinbase was just being sneaky. We'll read about it. They were sneaky. Oh, they were good. They kept it quiet for a while. But busted today. All right, read that. Let's have a commercial break. Well, they tried to keep that shit quiet. You know, that's what I want you to understand, boys. You got to get these thoughts out of your head about, oh, the banks are together doing this, or the exchanges are together doing that. Look, these guys are not together with each other. They're trying to destroy each other and kill each other, okay? And that's why they do sneaky shit like what I'm about to read to you now, which is amazing for us. All right, brothers. U.S.-based cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase opened its over-the-counter crypto trading desk earlier this month. It is now November 29th. Oh, they didn't announce it, did they? Oh, they didn't make big fanfare of it, did they? Shh. Quietly. Shh. Quietly accumulating billionaires for their OTC. Sneaky. But, unfortunately for them, well, not unfortunate, but in an interview with news source Cheddar on Tuesday, Coinbase head of sales Christine Sandler said that the firm launched the OTC desk as a complement to its exchange business because what? Bang! Because institutions are using OTC as an on-ramp for crypto trading. In an OTC transaction, a trade takes place between two parties directly, unlike on an exchange where orders are matched between third-party buyers and sellers, right? So you understand, right? Like, so me and you and I, when we go on exchanges, like, yeah, I'm buying my Bitcoin from some guy, but he doesn't know. The computers are just matching my buy order with his sell order, right? Well, in the OTC market, it doesn't work like that. Like, you talk directly to the guy you're buying it from. So, you know, we buy from each other. When these guys buy Bitcoin, I've explained this before, over the counter, they go directly to the Bitcoin miner, like to the guy himself. Like, hey, buddy, let me get 10,000 of those Bitcoin off of you, to the guy himself. Anyways, I've explained this a lot for lately, so come on, you should know by now. So, she says that we felt this was a huge benefit to our clients to actually leverage both our exchange and our OTC business. Currently, the OTC service is available for Coinbase Prime customers. That is, financial institutions. Bang! Big money looking to trade with business funds. Now, no mom and pop money. Not me and you money. You and I money. Bang! Financial institution money. And that's what we need, bang, to get in here to drive up our stuff, boys. Excuse me. The exchange received approval. Remember we talked about, I told you guys about the New York State Department of Financial Services. The most difficult thing to get approval from, man. When you have approval from these guys, motherfuckers know you're real. Like, you know what I mean? It's tough. So they received approval from them to form a qualified custodial firm for cryptocurrencies in late October. Bang! So, with the launch, Coinbase joins other notable crypto firms in offering OTC services. Goldman Sachs-backed crypto finance firm Circle also has an OTC desk called Circle Trade. My bad. Available for both. Oh, really? Oh, available for both individual and institutional investors with a minimum ticket size of, oh, I'll tell you right now, this is a typo. It's supposed to be $250,000. Oh, maybe it's $25,000 because they are offering the individual. And back in April, U.S. cryptocurrency exchange Gemini, founded by the Winklevoss brothers, the twins, unveiled block trading in Bitcoin and Ether, which allows customers to make high volume trades that won't appear in the exchange's order book until they've been filled. I guess that's a sneaky way so guys don't have to show how much they want to buy. All right, so bang, guys. One step closer. That's what this is all about. Step by step, little by little. That's what I'm going to be talking about, these little step by steps. It's going to be an ETF here. It's going to be a custody service there. It's going to be a trading desk here. Step by step, little by little. But like death by 1,000 cuts. All those cuts might be small, but in the end, it'll kill a man. While we're doing it the opposite way, our market's coming and it's little cuts, little things, and it'll build out to this huge thing called the crypto exchange universe that's being built. So here's another one. OTC by Coinbase. Bang. All right, brothers. Now, crypto companies launch a self-regulatory body. So I just bring this up because the SEC earlier this year, right, they were complaining. Remember, they were complaining like, oh, you know, these crypto guys, you know, they're very anti-government, right? And so they don't come talk to us. And remember, I've been telling you guys, these guys better stop with their bullshit and stop with their little fantasy of taking over the world and crap and just get with the program and get with being regulated properly so we can make our money. And so that's why I remember Ripple set up that lobbying firm with a bunch of big names. And there was that other one, the other government thing that some crypto guys came together with. I'm sorry, I don't remember exactly. But the Ripple one and then that other one. And so now these guys, they're going to do one. So as long as enough people in the market show that they're trying to be, you know, cooperative here, man, we can get this show on the road, can't we? So crypto companies launch a self-regulatory body. And that's what And that's what the SEC was trying to say. Like, why don't you guys just come up with rules for yourselves? Give us the rules that you come up with for yourselves. And if we like them, we'll, you know, I mean, we might tell you to change this or that here or there. But I mean, as long as they're not egregious, we'll be like, okay, there's your rules. Right? But crypto people are so, this bullshit, you know, anti-government libertarian crap. You know, trying to tell the SEC to go fuck itself. Well, it isn't going to fuck itself. It's going to fuck you. So just come on and jump on board and get with the program, dick. I mean, look, I understand. When I drive down the highway and it's 3 a.m. and there's not one car in front of me for 1 mile, I look at my speedometer, it says 65 miles an hour. I'm like, why the fuck am I still going 65? There is no one in front of me. It's just the rules, motherfucker. Just the rules. I mean, I do go speeding a little bit, but I mean. And so this is what these crypto guys got to just grow the fuck up and follow some rules, man. For fuck's sakes. Your little crypto thing will thrive then if you do. All this money will come and you guys will really be blockchaining up the world. Dumbasses. You want more money, don't you, to blockchain up the world? Well, come, fucking behave yourselves. All right, buddies. I know today's not going to be really a sexy show. It's not going to be sexy crypto talk. There was no real crypto talk, man. And you know me, Whenever I need a crypto story, you can always go find Justin's son. He has some shit he's doing. Even today, man, I was like, yo, where's he at? Did he not say nothing today, bro? He's always tweeting some shit. Not today. I was like, damn. So, all right, guys. So, while some call for regulatory clarity, a group of leading companies have taken it upon themselves to set the bar for the nascent cryptocurrency industry. So this is what it's called. It's going to be called, or it is called, the Association for Digital Asset Markets, or Adam. Remember that. Those are our advocate. They're going to be our advocates to these politicians. Was launched today by 10 leading financiers, money boys, of the crypto space in order to establish comprehensive industry standards and market rules. In a joint press release, Adam was described as the first broad-based organization of its kind in the United States to develop standards for the digital asset ecosystem. Good boys. The new association will work with regulators, for fuck's sakes. Will work with regulators to establish standards for the rest of the industry. Look, there's a saying in the political world. You know, along with my trading, I'm actually a political guy. I used to be part of a few different political organizations, actually some powerful ones here in America. And when I was in San Francisco, not anymore. But and what we have a saying, if you're not at the table, you're on the menu. So if politicians are talking about an issue that you care about, if you're not at the table telling them what you want done, they're going to do all sorts of shit you're not going to like. And so this is great. Remember that saying, guys, if you're not at the table, you're the one on the menu. All right, that's a little political insider political term. All right, so but the new association will work with regulators to establish standards for the rest of the industry, including ethical and professional guidelines to protect investors from fraud and safety standards to protect assets in custody. It would also create rules governing clearance, settlement, and transparency in order to establish a fair and orderly marketplace for digital assets. Bang. What's the SEC been complaining about? We don't want manipulation. The SEC, they don't care about Bitcoin and crypto. They could care less. It's just another asset. They're here to protect us, the consumer, though. They're not going to allow any manipulation and stuff, right? So rules are fundamental to the development of any market, said Duncan Niederauer, a former CEO of the New York Stock Exchange, who will join Adam, a former member of the former CEO. Bang! Oh, when I read this the first time, I didn't notice that. Dang! All right. Hold on. Let's read this again then. That made me happy. Rules are fundamental to the development of any market, said Duncan Niederauer, the former CEO of the New York Stock Exchange, who will join Adam. He's going to be part of Adam. Well, Dick, the CEO of the stock exchange, knows what you have to see. And that's what's good. That's what I love about... I know I keep saying this shit. I sound like a little fanboy, but Gemini backed in Coinbase. They're just hiring all these ex-SEC guys, ex-CEOs of this, ex-COOs of that are in the financial industry. Guys, man, next year we are banging on as a member of its advisory board. So he says over 200 years ago, the market came together to draft rules that led to the creation of the New York Stock Exchange. Bang! That's how it grew. That's interesting. I'm going to read about how it became, actually. That's cool. The advent of digital assets requires a similar effort, one that will clarify existing rules and give both investors and regulators the confidence necessary to sustain this market. Yes, market sustainability. What investors expect is that trading in the... And then he goes into some bullshit, but I'm not going to read all that. What investors expect is that trading in the commodity that underlies that ETF makes sense. Oh, okay, hold on. We're going to move on from here. We've seen some... Oh, and so this is what Clayton says now. He's the SEC guy. He says, we've seen some thefts around digital assets that make you scratch your head. Before adding, get your act together. See? He's the SEC chairman. He's saying, look, just get your act together, buddies, and we'll let you do whatever you want. Stop being such a little rebel. You know, like little teenage rebels. You know, they never want to listen to their parents. Right? And if you just listen to your parents, you'd be fine, you little dick. Yeah, right. When you grow up, you realize, like, oh, your parents were telling you that because they love you. That's like these morons. Right? No, we're libertarian. We hate your government. Well, look, dick. You're going to get regulated one way or the other, so just face reality, and let's go. So, it's not clear if Adam will be able to smooth the entrance. Obviously, it just started today, but the joint collaboration of 10 major firms may be the industry's most concerted effort yet to get its act together. Get it together, boys. Little crypto nerds. Let's go. Bang. And finally, so... this is the guy, Jack Clayton, right here. In his interview, well, this is him here, I mean. But, and so, okay. What's wrong with you? I can't even talk. Crypto ETF needs exchanges free from manipulation. Now, this article doesn't say it. These guys are idiots. Remember, we read that one big exchange. Which one was it? It was either BitRX or Bitfinex, right? They said they're going to start using that program called, what the fuck was that called? Clear Analysis, right? Was it called Clear Analysis? I think it's called Clear Analysis. Clear Analysis is a software, that the NASDAQ uses. Remember that? The NASDAQ uses that thing, their software, to look at every single trade. And if anyone's trying any market manipulation, boo, 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 it flags it and shuts down accounts and all that until an investigation. Yeah, it's called Clear Analysis. I remember. Well, one of the crypto exchanges said they're going to use that. And I guarantee you, Bakkt, Gemini, Coinbase, they're all going to start using that. And because this is the problem. This is the problem. We talked about market manipulation a little bit yesterday when I explained to you that the reason, remember that we read about an ETF yesterday, right? Was it an ETF or a futures contract? A futures contract. And they said that they're going to get their pricing from multiple exchanges, not just one. So that we'll see what the SEC thinks about that. But that closes down the chance for manipulation in that if you wanted to manipulate the price of, say, Bitcoin, all right, well, you'd have to manipulate the price on all those exchanges at the same time, right? So that's the trick they're trying to use to get around the SEC saying, no, we're not going to give you this because of manipulation. So this is actually the SEC chairman, as you can see from the title, and he says free from manipulation. And like I said yesterday, those guys were good. I think they're sneaky, and they did it a smart way. Spread your exchange pricing around. You can't accuse of manipulation because how are you going to manipulate all those exchanges? I mean, it's technically possible. This market's so tiny, but they'd be busted. They get busted. Oh, and the Clear Analysis thing. And then when these guys start implementing Clear Analysis, I bet you they're going to start implementing it Q1 next year. All these fucks. Because you can't trick that thing. It knows. If you try to manipulate the market, it knows. It's like some super algorithm computer thing program. And it's used on the NASDAQ, the New York Stock Exchange, like, real shit. So if it's good enough for them, good enough for crypto. Okay. All right, Shmar, are you going to read this? Okay, guys, let's go. So Jay Clayton, the chairman of the U.S. SEC, said Tuesday that he doesn't see a pathway to a cryptocurrency ETF approval until concerns over market manipulation are addressed. See, that's that shit. But you notice one thing I noticed. This might sound funny, but you know what I haven't heard? I haven't heard about money laundering lately. Right? They solved it. They solved the money laundering thing. They did some stuff. I haven't heard one regulator in about a month or two say one word about money laundering. I think they figured it out. I mean, it doesn't. It's more like they're saying something without saying something. You know what I mean? The fact that they're not complaining about it anymore. Remember in the beginning? Remember in the summer? It was all, money laundering, terrorist financing, market manipulation. Now all I'm hearing about is the manipulation part. I haven't heard any terror money laundering or money laundering shit for about a month and a half, 2 months. I mean, I could just be hoping, but by not saying stuff, you're kind of saying something. You know what I mean? If that makes any sense. All right, guys, come on. All right, let's go. All right. Concerns the manipulation product. The manipulation, they don't like the manipulation. How that manipulation issue gets addressed, I don't have a particular path, he says, but it needs to be addressed before an ETF gets approved, Clayton remarked during CoinDesk's Consensus Invest conference. That was yesterday. And that's why I said this whole, the market manipulation thing, if they implement that coin analysis thing, was it called coin analysis or check analysis? One of those names it's called. I don't think the SEC will have a problem. The NASDAQ fucking uses that. So if they're using it, you can't say no to crypto using it, right? The prices retail investors are seeing are the prices they should rely on and free from manipulation. Not free from volatility, but free from manipulation. Exactly. Prices go up and down, but they have to go up and down freely according to the market. Clayton said during his appearance, which was moderated by the investor Glenn Hutchins. Clayton also remarked that custody concerns also remain an issue ahead of any kind of ETF approval. Yeah. We already know Goldman Sachs is coming out with custody. Coinbase has custody. Sorry, guys. Brain freeze. What's that other one? What's the other one? Bakkt is going to have custody. Oh, Fidelity said they're bringing their custody. Bang, bang, bang. So don't worry about that little part. The SEC chairman, who clarified at the outset that he was speaking on his own personal capacity and not the part of his agency, also honed in on the question of whether the sale of tokens during initial coin offerings constitute security offerings. If you finance a venture with a token offering, you should start with the assumption that it is a security. And then they go on and all this. Fuck ICOs. I don't care about ICO shit. And I hope none of you are investing in ICOs. Look. You know what we talk about around here? Working product. But Shamari, it'll be so cheaper if I get it in ICO. Yeah. But if you spend $1,000 on an ICO and it does nothing, well, you just shit $1,000 down the drain. Rather spend $500 when they get their shit working and then just add on later, right? All right. I don't tell you what to do with your money. But seriously, fuck those ICOs. So while you do know that like 70% of them were scams last year. Oh, this year. Oh, the SEC has dozens of investigations going on right now. Oh, I haven't been reading about them because we're not about ICOs around here. But, dude, there are dozens. I've seen stories about them every day. They're getting investigated. All right, come on, bud. Let's get back to what we are about, our money. Bang! I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. So, while some startups sought to bypass securities laws entirely by dubbing their offerings utility tokens, like they think they're slick. You're not going to trick anyone, you fucking morons. Like, just fucking get your shit together. Clayton noted that the token sales behavior is how it may be classified. He used the concept of a laundry token, noting that a token used to wash clothes would not be a security. But if I have a set of 10 laundry tokens and the laundromats are to be developed and those are offered to me as something I can use for the future and I'm buying them because I can sell them later, next year's incoming class, that's a security. In other words, if you expect to make profit off it, it's a security. One sec. Yeah. All right. I don't know what the fuck is the problem with these fucking little crypto nerds. Like, just who cares whether you're a security or not? Look, man, crypto nerd, you want your blockchain to work? All right, then, man. Just go fucking do your blockchain, man. Stop acting like a little spoiled little child. Yes, you're going to be regulated, man. That's the world. That's how Earth works. Anyways, guys. So back to us now. Bang. So that's what he said. Free from manipulation. That's all they care about now. And like I just said, I don't hear anything about the terrorist money anymore. And I don't hear anything about the money laundering thing anymore. I think these exchanges and bang, the big boys that are coming online have addressed that. I haven't heard one person say that in like 2 months. Remember, have you? All right. That's all we kept talking about all summer long, right? All summer long, these guys were, AML and terrorist finance, AML, anti-money laundering, AML and terrorist financing. I don't hear anyone saying that anymore. So anyways, that's the news, guys. Just a basic day. Bang. Let's go shout outs and airdrops. Bang. What do we got? Hold on. What? Michael. LTC. Bang. See you, brother. Steve. Oh, see you, brother. Bang. I met this guy the other day. That was yesterday on the VeChain official thing that I was telling you guys about. I went there. They were complaining to the CEO. What the fuck? We need an AMA and answer my question thing. Did we get the BMW thing? I was like, dude, settle down. Anyway, and so this guy followed me over here, and I've been talking to him today. All right, what else do we got? Fuego. Bang, see you, brother. What else do we got? Bang, Tim Bryan, see you, brother. Yo, here's Pollywood. Luck. And look at his swag. So this is the guy I was telling you about. This is our brother Pollywood. Bang, bang, bang. Now works for Tron. Bang. And they gave him a bag of free swag. So there's his swag. Bang. All right. And then we got this son of a bitch. 007. He knows who he is. Bang, bang, bang. Welcome. Brother, see you, brother. Bang. Oh, that's the bang I got to give you. Yes. Crypto Bridgie. Bang. Oh, you're here every day, girl. All right. All right. Looks like you're becoming part of the crew. Oh, and this is Hollywood. Because I told him, I said to him, hold on. Where is it? I said to him, wait. Hold on. We'll go down and I'll show you what I wrote him. Luck. DP Entertainment. See you, brother. Bang. Trini Crypto. See you, gal. Bang. Luck, boys. This is Bob, the airdrop master. Go to Bob at 844-11320. Bang. Read those 3 tutorials and get the airdrops when they come in. They're a little skimpy lately, but whenever they do come in, you will be ready. This guy. Bang. See you. I don't know how to pronounce that. Not that I'm not trying to say your name or anything. Airdrop at 2410. Hurricane Master. Bang. See you, brother. So hold on. Where's that pic? Where's the thing? Oh, hold on. There's Justin. Bang, 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 Justin. See you, brother. You know we love you. Bang. That's the Minister of Propaganda. Go to our Discord channel. If you're like a libertarian lover, you're all into this libertarian, the coins are going to take over the world, go to our Discord channel. The invite is in the descriptions every day. Go there. You're all invited. And go down on the very bottom. That's Justin's room. There, and you'll have all your libertarian and world coin takeover stuff you want. All right, let's do one more. Bitcoin Doodle. Bang. See you, brother. Hold on, but where's the thing? Because I wanted to explain this. I told him. Wait, Hollywood. Where is that? Anyways, you know, Hollywood's a super Tron lover. So I wrote to him yesterday. Oh, I can show you. Okay, here it is. I said, because, oh, yeah, he's getting a new Tron card is coming out. All this stuff. So I told him, oh, you're just rolling around all happy like a pig and shit, huh, brother? Bang. Awesome. You know, keep us posted, of course. Oh, and by the way, brothers, Hollywood did answer me about the token, that lifetime token thingy. Well, he said he's going to check into it and then answer me back. So hopefully by tomorrow, maybe I'll have something to say. Anyways, I said, look, you're just rolling around happy like a pig and shit, huh? And so he sent this. That's Polly. And he sent this. Yes. Yes, happy little piggy. All right, brothers. I'm being silly. All right, let's get out of here. All right, brothers. So, you know, this is my favorite part of the day. Bang. And I like to go bang sometimes and then bang. Luck. All right, guys. So, bang, bang, bang. You see Coinbase quietly. Sneaky. OTC. And what does OTC mean? Money's buying. Money is buying OTC. Well, money is coming into the market quietly through the back end. OTC, boys. Bang. And we learned about self-regulating crypto. Come on, crypto nerds. Regulate. And SEC guy said, what did he say again, actually? Oh, yeah, manipulation. All right, brother. So let's go. Let's chill and kill it. Bang. Subscribe below. Press the bell. It should, they say should notify you of new videos. And bang, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So this is my favorite time of my day. Bang, bang, I like talking about the money. I love talking about the crypto. Bang, my name's Shamar Clark. You know I'm always on duty, brothers. Over and out.